Moo on the farm. This is a play a sound book. It has 10 farmyard sounds and it's by Discovery Kids. Subscribe if you love these play a sound books or animal books. This proud rooster is showing off his fine feathers. Cock-a-doodle-doo! A rooster is a male chicken. His crowing can be heard all over the farm. Hit the little rooster. Cluck, cluck! A hen clucks loudly after laying an egg. Hens sit on their eggs to keep them warm until their chicks hatch. Click on the chicken. They're so cute, little baby chicks. And now we got ducks. A fluffy duckling waddles after its mother. Quack, quack, quack. Ducklings can start to swim when they are just 1 day old. Look how sweet and little. Now let's hit the duck button. There's the ducklings. Out in the field, sheep eat green grass. Sheep and lambs have a woolly fleece to keep them warm in the winter. They sound so cute. Bah. Can you baa like a sheep? Bah, bah. Ooh, moo, moo. A cow comes in from the field at milking time. A cow's creamy milk can be made into cheese and yogurt. Yum, yum, yum. I love cheese and yogurt. And ice cream. They also can make ice cream out of cow's milk. Pigs love to roll in squelchy mud to keep cool. A pig's nose is called a snout. It is very good at sniffing out food. Can you snort like a pig? Or oink, 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 oink. After pulling a heavy load, this donkey rests in the barn. Hee-haw, hee-haw. Donkeys are smaller than horses. They have longer ears too. Now let's hear the donkey. Meh, meh. Most goats have 2 horns and a beard, like this one. It's got 2 horns and it's got a little beard. Look how cute. They are so cute. Look at the little baby. It's called a kid. A baby goat is called a kid. It likes to stay close to its mother. Oh, let's hit the goat. Nice. So cute. They're so cute. A family of mice are busy searching for food. Squeak, 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 squeak. These tiny creatures like to nibble seeds, berries, and insects. So let's hit the little mouse button. Neigh, neigh. Horses love to be out in the field where they can gallop. Horses eat hay. They like apples and carrots too. Let's press the horsey button. Can you neigh like a horse? Let's go through all the buttons one more time. There's a go, duck, donkey, a sheep, Rooster. Mouse. A horse. Piggy. A hen. And a cow. The end. We hoped you liked our video. Hit the like button and subscribe if you like these Play a Sound books. Thank you. Bye.